Welcome back to BI Architects. Today, we're diving deep into modern living room design ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional oasis. Whether you're redecorating or starting from scratch, these tips will inspire you to create the perfect modern living room. Let's get started. Understanding modern design. Before we jump into specific ideas, let's briefly discuss what modern design means. Characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on functionality, modern design often incorporates natural materials and neutral color palettes. It's all about creating a space that feels open and inviting. Color schemes. Color sets the mood for any room. For a modern living room, consider using a neutral base, think whites, grays, and beiges. You can add pops of color through accessories like cushions, artwork, or rugs. This approach keeps the space feeling fresh and airy while allowing for personal touches. If you're feeling adventurous, consider an accent wall in a bold color or pattern. This can serve as a stunning focal point without overwhelming the space. Remember, balance is key. Furniture selection. When selecting furniture, opt for pieces that are functional yet stylish. Look for sofas with clean lines and low profiles. Modular furniture is also a great choice, as it allows for flexibility in arrangement. Consider multifunctional furniture, like ottomans that double as storage or coffee tables with built-in shelves. This maximizes space while keeping your living room organized. Think about the layout of your living room. Create zones for different activities, like lounging, reading, or entertaining. Use rugs to define these spaces and create a cohesive look. Incorporating technology. In today's modern living rooms, technology plays a key role. Integrate smart home devices like voice-controlled lighting, smart TVs, and wireless speakers. These elements not only enhance convenience but also contribute to a sleek, modern aesthetic. Consider hiding wires and cables for a clean look. Use cable management solutions to keep everything tidy and organized. Lighting design. Lighting is crucial in setting the ambience. Use a mix of overhead lights, floor lamps, and accent lighting to create layers of light. Consider statement fixtures, like a modern chandelier or sculptural pendant lights, to add a focal point to your room. Don't forget about natural light. Use sheer curtains to allow sunlight to filter through while maintaining privacy. This creates a bright and airy feel in your living room. Textures and materials. Incorporating various textures adds depth to your design. Mix materials like wood, metal, and soft fabrics. For instance, pair a sleek leather sofa with a cozy knit throw and a wooden coffee table. Don't forget about rugs and curtains. A plush area rug can anchor your seating area, while floor-to-ceiling curtains can create an illusion of height and elegance. Experiment with different finishes, like matte versus glossy, to create visual interest. Incorporating natural elements, such as stone or plants, can also enhance the overall aesthetic. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches to make the space your own. Display artwork that resonates with you, incorporate plants for a touch of nature, and use decorative items that reflect your personality. These elements will make your living room feel warm and inviting. Consider DIY projects for unique decor. Creating your own art or upcycling furniture can add a personal touch that store-bought items simply can't match. The challenge of space. First up, let's talk about space. One of the biggest challenges is working with limited square footage. Many people feel confined in small living rooms and struggle with how to design them effectively. To tackle this, consider multifunctional furniture. For example, a sofa bed can provide seating during the day and a sleeping area at night. Use vertical space by incorporating shelves or tall bookcases that draw the eye upward, making the room feel larger. Additionally, light colors on the walls can create an illusion of spaciousness, while mirrors can reflect light and expand the visual appeal. Balancing aesthetics with functionality. Next, let's address the challenge of balancing aesthetics with functionality. Many homeowners want their living rooms to look stunning, but the furniture often ends up being impractical. One solution is to prioritize versatile pieces. Look for ottomans that can be used for seating or storage, or coffee tables that can be adjusted in height, Keep in mind the flow of the room. Ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably without sacrificing style. Additionally, think about incorporating storage solutions that blend with your decor, like decorative baskets or built-in shelves. Achieving the right ambience. Creating the right ambience can also be a challenge. The lighting in your living room must serve multiple purposes, from brightening the space when you're entertaining to creating a cozy atmosphere for relaxing. To effectively manage this challenge, invest in layered lighting. Combine ambient lighting, such as overhead fixtures, with task lighting like floor lamps and accent lighting from wall sconces or table lamps. Dimmable lights allow for instant ambience changes, enabling you to switch from a bright, lively setting to a warm, intimate environment with ease. Choosing the right style. Another common challenge is choosing a design style that reflects your personality while still being cohesive. With so many trends out there, it can be overwhelming to decide what suits you best. To combat this, start by creating a mood board. Collect images of living rooms that resonate with you and identify common themes, colors, and textures. Don't be afraid to mix styles. Combining modern pieces with vintage finds can create an eclectic and personalized look. Just ensure that there's a unifying element, like color or material, throughout the space to tie everything together. Incorporating technology. As we embrace technology, integrating it into your living room can present challenges around aesthetics and layout. Technology can sometimes disrupt the calm ambience you're trying to create. To solve this, choose smart devices that blend with your decor. For example, consider wireless speakers that are discreet and stylish, or invest in furniture that includes built-in charging stations. Utilize media consoles that hide away electronics to keep things tidy and organized, preventing a cluttered look. Texture and material selection. Texture and material selection is another area where challenges arise. Mixing textures is essential for a modern look, but too many can lead to a disjointed design. To strike the right balance, select 2 to 3 primary textures and layer them thoughtfully. For instance, a leather sofa can be complemented with a knit throw and a jute rug. Use soft materials like cushions or curtains to create warmth. Taking a moment to consider the tactile experience of the room will elevate its comfort level and enhance the overall aesthetic. Personal touches versus overcrowding. Infusing your living room with personal touches can be rewarding, but there's a fine line between personalizing and overcrowding your space. Too many decor items can overwhelm the design and detract from its overall elegance. To avoid this, curate a few statement pieces that you truly love. Consider using gallery walls or a dedicated display area for photographs and art. Embrace the principle of one in, one out. For every new item you add, consider removing one to maintain balance. Designing a functional living room. Advantages. When it comes to home design, the living room is often seen as the heart of the home. It's a space where you gather with family, entertain friends, and relax after a long day. However, many homeowners overlook the importance of functionality in their living room. In this segment, we'll explore the significant advantages of designing a functional living room. Enhanced comfort and usability. A well-designed functional living room prioritizes comfort and usability. When furniture is arranged purposefully, it allows for easy movement and flow within the space. This is especially beneficial during gatherings or family events, as guests can navigate comfortably without bumping into furniture or feeling cramped. By selecting ergonomic furniture and incorporating cozy elements like cushions and throws, you create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and social interaction. Maximized space efficiency. One of the fundamental advantages of a functional living room is that it maximizes space efficiency. Every square foot of your living room should serve a purpose. By choosing multifunctional furniture, like coffee tables with storage, sofas that convert into beds, or ottomans that double as seating, you can make the most of your space. This is particularly important in smaller homes or apartments, where every inch counts. A functional layout ensures that your living room meets your needs without feeling cluttered. Flexibility for various activities. And there you have it! By addressing these design challenges, you can create a modern living room that is not only beautiful, but also functional. Remember, every challenge has a solution, and with a bit of creativity, you can design a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to BI Architects for more design inspiration, and comment below with your thoughts or any additional challenges you've faced in your living room design. Until next time, happy designing!